Okay.
Singsang dadai ni teho, ngo kiu nani Nuryani, ngo kam nini satse soy, ngo make it fun, ngo hai saudi chokwa nuyung liong nin, ngo sik chiu ku siu bang yau dung mai chok kamo, ngo sik chi kantan chung kwok sung hau chi, ching kai ching ye chin tan chow chow dung mai potong. Musik dan siu kong tungwa.
Do you have working experience in overseas?
Yes, I have in Saudi 2 years, one employer and finish contract.
What do you mean duties in Saudi?
My main duties in Saudi are take care the children, cooking and cleaning the house.
Can you tell me how to take care of children?
Yes, I can. I send them go to school. I pick them from school. I help them to take bath, change the clothes, prepare the food. I accompany them to play and watch them safety.
Why the children's safety very important?
Because they don't know how to take care themselves.
Why do you like to take care of children?
Because I love them as my little brother.
Can you sing a song for children?
Yes, I can. I love you, you love me. We are happy family with the big kiss hug and the kiss from me to you.